Yet another shop. YAS is a pet project aimed at practicing building a typical microservice application in Java. The tentative technologies and frameworks include Java 21, Spring Boot 3.2, test containers, Next.js, Keycloak, Kafka, Elasticsearch, K8s, GitHub Actions, Sonar Cloud, OpenTelemetry, Grafana, Loki, Prometheus, and Tempo. Local development architecture involves getting started with Docker Compose. To begin, get the latest source code and add specific records to your host file. Then open a terminal, navigate to the YAS directory, and run Docker Compose up to start all the containers. Note that running all the containers requires a minimum of 16 gigabytes of RAM. If you have less, you can run only the core services using the command docker compose f dockercompose.yml up. Once all containers are up and running, start the source connectors by running a script. Access the websites via store/storefront/backoffice/ to log in with admin password. If the storefront and backoffice don't work as expected on the first run, stop all containers with Ctrl+C and run Docker Compose up again. Additional resources include accessing p@minmash.local, the REST API document at api.local, Swagger, Keycloak console at Identities, Grafana for observability, and Elasticsearch APIs at Elasticsearch/. The project also provides Docker Compose files for core services, the search service, and observability services. You can deploy to Kubernetes and find documentation, architecture details, developer guidelines, and ways to contribute on GitHub. By contributing, you agree that your contributions will be licensed under the MIT license.